Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete a comment on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Instagram app, we'll be welcomed in the home page. Now to start with our process about how to delete a comment on Instagram, here I will be first typing a comment. After typing my comment, I'll be tapping on the post option. After that, as you can see, my comment has been posted. Now for me to delete the comment that I have just posted, I'll have to tap on the comment icon that is located right between the like icon and the deliver icon. After tapping on the comment icon, here you can see on the top the comment that I just posted. You'll have to tap on your comment for about 5 seconds and you'll be able to see a trash icon on the top right hand side corner. Tap on it. And just like that, your comment has been deleted. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.